Hi again, it's Deb James, the Wellness RN for you. And I've got some exciting news to tell you. My 6-week online video course, Practical Dementia Care Action Guide course, is now available for purchase. It's 6 individual modules. They are video, and it's meant to be done 1 module per week. However, if you need more time, if you need to process the information more, that's fine. The course is yours. Once you buy it, it's yours. So you don't have to worry about being in line with anything or having a fixed schedule. It's for you to use as you see fit. So in the course, I cover everything from what to do with a dementia diagnosis in terms of how to handle it, to communication, to self-care. Because as a caregiver, self-care is extremely important. You need to take care of yourself in order to take care of someone else. And I'll be providing tips along the way. If people are interested, I will pop into the website or the Facebook page once a week just to kind of see where people are and to get feedback. So yeah, I can do that. So the course is $97. Don't want to break the bank for anyone, but this is valuable information. This is the information that I had hoped someone would have told me when I was going through my dementia care process. As far as with my paternal grandmother, my father, and my mother. My mother is still here with us. She's still on this plane, and she will actually be coming to live with us for part of the year. So I'm sure I will have more information to impart with her becoming a bi-coastal woman. So in order to purchase the course, angelichtouchhealthandwellness.net. There are a couple of links, and they're right there on the first page, on the main page. And you can look at the frequently asked questions, or you can look at the information page, and you will be able to go directly to PayPal to purchase. And with PayPal, you can either use your PayPal account or you can use a credit card, debit card, whatever is most comfortable for you. So here's another secret. If you are one of the first 25 people to purchase the course, you'll get free upgrades. Free upgrades. So if I add anything to the course, if I do any additional videos, when I come out with a workbook, you get those free if you're one of the first 25 to purchase. So I hope you're as excited as I am. This has been a labor of love for me. I have been working on this for several years, and I'm glad to be able to share it now. So again, go to my website, angelichtouchhealthandwellness.net, and look for Practical Dementia Care Action Guide course. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And I am also willing to hang out on Facebook or on my website to take any questions, concerns, recommendations, all of that. Again, this is going to be an evolving course as life goes on. And if there are those of you out there who are experiencing things that are not covered in the course, let me know. I will find a way to include it. And again, if you're one of the first 25, you get free upgrades. All right, take care, and I hope you have a beautiful week. All right, bye.